Well, morning. It's yeah, nearly 12 o'clock, and it's 2nd of January. This is my first video of my garage, where I kind of trying to get stuff done on a budget with no money. Well, a little bit of money. I've got too many projects. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 Beetles in here, a Volksrod, a phaser, and Virago 250. Yeah, and loads of bits and pieces, trying to get things done, trying to build stuff slowly. So this video, basically I'm going to try and do it once a week and update all the videos and all the goings on with the builds. Really, I've been watching loads of YouTube programs, and you know, they're brilliant, and they give you a bit of insight into building stuff. I mean, I'm no expert. I've been doing it as a hobby on and off, so this is kind of I thought, why not share it with other people that love building stuff, probably build it better than me, but I try it on a budget. I try building stuff with what I've got, and yeah, just have a bit of fun really. So hopefully I'll give you an update. This is my first program out of hopefully many. And yeah, if you want to subscribe or follow me, then you're more than welcome. I've not done it before, so this is all new to me, so I'm just going to go for it and shoot stuff when I can. Bear with me, I'm not great at logging stuff down and going through stuff like some people are naturally good at it. I'll probably miss a few bits, but you know, if you want to ask any questions about any of the vehicles or any of the cars or any of the builds, you're more than welcome. I try and answer them. I've only learned by doing it. I haven't really trained in the mechanic kind of world. I've been building cars, and American cars, VWs, motorbikes, for like 30 years on and off. And yeah, it's just a bit of fun really, and hopefully I can inspire people to build stuff as well. And if anyone's got any input or any help that you can throw at me, I'm well up for that. That's great. Every little bit helps, because other people's minds can think a bit quicker than mine sometimes. So yeah, welcome to Backstreetkustoms, and hopefully I'll entertain. Well, today I've got some new leads, distributor, points and condenser, new HT cap, new plugs. Got to fit those. I have no idea how to do that. Yeah, fuel filter, and some other little bits really. I bought these today as well. These are the drill bits with threads on the end of them, so you can drill in the bit at the end and then thread, like tap it. So I found these online. I thought they're brilliant. They're not strong though, so they do break really easy, so they're not great. Well, only a couple of quid anyway. So yeah, this is for the Salzburg Beetle. This is the Salzburg Beetle. I'll show you some pictures of that. I built it basically. I found it in a farm in bits, and I only went in there to get the gearbox and some other bits off of it, and I don't know, I kind of felt a bit sorry for it. I think it needed to be saved. It wasn't rotten underneath, and it didn't need any welding, so I thought, wow, you know. So I gave the guy 60 quid for it, which I couldn't believe. No logbook, no nothing, you know. He didn't have any record of the reg and stuff, so it was just a wing and a prayer really. And then when I did get it, I did find out the VIN number. It was a 1303S, so win-win all round really, because they're pretty rare. Well, this engine I put in last year, and it runs and drives, and it's, you know, the clutch is working and stuff. I've got electronic ignition on it, another carburetor, kind of, I think it's an MP replica one, not great. And I changed last week, I changed this manifold, and I got it from the engine company. which is absolutely brilliant. Them guys, they're always helpful, always great prices, and they've always helped me out with bits and pieces. So that I changed the manifold because these breathers they were all blocked, so I've had to unblock them. This one was perfect, didn't have any blocks in it at all. That stops it running and idling, because this gets icy in there, and then the fuel can't get past it, so it can affect your the running and idling of the Beetle, which loads of people miss out on YouTube. They adjust the carb, they adjust the timing and all the rest of it, but they don't adjust, you know, these things that you really need, especially if you live in London and it's and the cold weather. And points and condensers in London or the UK, some parts of it, you know, they don't really last unless you keep the car in the garage. A bit of moisture gets in there and then the thing won't run properly. Same as the fuel, you know, it's all a matter of bits and pieces. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this will run, because I've only just put that manifold back on it. It ran before, but I didn't put the electronic distributor on it, or I've got a different coil as well, so, and a different carb, so bloody hell, almost everything's different. So yeah, fingers crossed, I'll try and get this running later on. I'm just going to swap some bits over, some HT leads. I'm going to put brand new ones on because I don't trust these ones. New plugs. I think I've actually got new plugs in here, so I'll have a look. All right, I'll keep you posted. So today what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to start changing some bits on the Beetle, on the Salzburg Rally replica Beetle that I built just for a bit of fun, and then see if I can. Well, I know it runs. It's just I've took the bits off that and put them on the Bumblebee kind of Beetle, the GT, to see if those bits can fit and work. So what I want to do now is go back to the Salzburg Beetle and put all the bits on it and get it up and running. So at least I've got that. And then the Baja, the Baja runs fine, so that's not a problem. And then we'll go from there. So I'll keep you posted on what I'm doing. I'm going to try and get a tripod, because I'm not. I think this little tripod I got, it's only about, I don't know, that big. So that's no use. So I want to get a proper tripod, maybe see what it sounds like, and go from there. So well, this is the Bumblebee 1300, I think. Yeah, this is out of a 67. This manifold is blocked. I did clear it out, but I need to do some little bits and pieces to it. I've got to put some tinware back on. I'm going to change the points and condenser in this. That's a new fire starter coil. This is a brand new carburetor, which I'm not, it's not great, but it's brand new, so it's worth. It was worth buying. I think I paid like 40 quid for it, but it's got this odd. Running and it's idling, which is amazing. I've not had this. Well, I've not had it running and idling since I put a new carb on it. Yeah, I've got a few bits done today. Got the Bumblebee running, so that was good. But some dodgy fuel pumps on the Salzburg Rally Beetle, so I'm gonna have to try and sort that out. Without, I tried a facet fuel pump, that's not doing nothing. So I'm just going to buy another fuel pump. See how that gets on, really. Yeah, a bit of a bummer. But at least I've got the Bumblebee running and driving. Running. got to take the engine out to do the clutch. So never ended. So yeah, fuel pump. I tried three different fuel pumps on it. It almost went when I put fuel in the carb, but it's not. Yeah, it's not doing what it's supposed to. So I'm going to try electronic fuel pump and see if that works. So yeah, I'll order one of them, get one on, and see how it goes. I'll keep you all posted, and yeah, I'll put it on and see how it goes. But yeah, I've tried 3 different fuel pumps. Brand new one out of the box, that didn't work. So different push rods, I've tried everything. So I don't know. I think it might go electronic fuel pump, see if that works. Got to put fuel into the car, innit? And it's a rally bug anyway, so I think I'm going to just have I'm not going to risk it and just have I'm going to have electronic fuel pump the whole time, I think. Right, when I get it, I'll put it on and then see if it works.